What is up? It's your boy, the Kinologist. We're doing another code study session, OSRS AFK training. Almost 5K left till 70 fishing. And we're doing monkfish right now in Piscatorius. So you can either use the teleport or the AAKQ ferry circle. We're just doing network errors right now for the Golang client side. You can detect these errors by checking the error returned by the HTTP request. It's kind of counterintuitive because they go if error is not equal no, which means if there's not a no error, if your error is not blank, which technically, because they use not logic, so it's like not no, but not no means there is an error. There's not no error. It's weird. Which is fine. We deposit these fish. Each inventory is about it's about 100 EXP per, so it's about 2.7K per inventory. So there should be like 1.5 more inventories technically. 1.5 more. Even if the request is successful, server may return a non-OK HTTP status code. Responses need to be handled separately from network errors. Okay, that makes sense. That's why you do try and then you do a check and then response. Because it's like, don't we just do an error? Because it could be successful and still be erroneous. Server may return So technically what this means is you're gonna have an error. If it responds back, it just means that the server is responding back. It doesn't necessarily mean that you're getting the data you want back. So network error is more so the request itself fails. So let me show you guys on the whiteboard real quick. One second, let me deposit this fish and then start another batch. That's 6 more fish, maybe 5. 5 times 2 is 10, so it's 600 EXP. So 6 more fish, technically. So basically this is it. This is the actual network error. When the request fails. And then sometimes the request might succeed, but wrong data. In which case, what do we do? So 404, 500, server errors. These responses need to be handled separately. Okay, nice. We're at 70 fishing. Okay, cool. So I don't really need to do this anymore. The fuck, he's got this pet. That's one of the bosses. What are the skills do I want to work on? Technically, I could do Slayer. It's like semi-AFKable. Winter T-Dot I need to do, and then agility. Let's look at agility. 81 strength, 81 range. I could do magic for now. I wish there was a way to do rune crafting AFK. There's herblore, fishing hunter. The only other one is fishing I could do, and then just do barbarian. And then just get agility at the same time. Okay, so he's got a bunch of shit here. What about this? 241. 241 to buy monkfish. I could just go to the thing. $800K worth of monkfish. I gotta find a better place to fish, maybe. Let's go to the GE. Let's see what's going on. Let's go back to the GE. I technically want to get 75 mage as well. I need 75, 75 so I could wear better armor and better thing. But I don't want to go Nightmare Zone either. I need skills, because like I don't want to actively train. I need 62 thieving and 68 agility. Let's look at some guides. Shazian Advanced. Colossal worm. Fastest. What are these methods? Other methods? To 60. I'm already past 60 though, so I gotta go to 41k agility per hour. It's still kind of slow. 60 to 80, 55k per hour. Werewolf. $50 to $55k at lower levels, at higher levels. And then Profinius is 60k to 75k per hour. Divine super combat potions, okay. Are there mini games for agility? Oh, profitable method of agility with little requirements. $260k per hour, okay. So they're making some money. Is there AFK agility? It's just barbarian fishing. That's the only other one. So for now I could just do fishing and then just do barbarian. Barbarian rod, feathers. 26k, so let's take all but one. Now let's take my game necklace. Let's take two, and then let's take chicken. So then I could just wear these while I'm fishing. Because technically I'm still doing fishing, but I'm training agility at the same time. So rub, go to Barbarian Outpost. I'm just trying to train agility AFK for now and just kind of get it better. Is there AFK thieving? I'm curious. At least 50 thieving. Okay. Let's start with Varlamore. Location, wealthy citizens. Oh, these keys allow you to ransack the house of citizen 3 minutes at a time. The more keys. Breaking into houses. Loot. Summer garden. What is this summer garden? Starting at 65 thieving, okay. Provides utilities for doing the one-click summer garden. Okay, so let's install that. What other things do they have? I don't know. So I do have to do a bunch of these. Oh, you get 7 EXP per one of these. Leaping salmons. Examine, how much are these worth? 25, examine. Yeah, there's not that many quests left. 3, 6, 9, 12, 13, 14 left. Balguthic sleeps. There's Secrets of the North. I need 69 agility for Grimtails. 58 thieving I need. The Curse of Arav, I gotta finish that too. This is way faster EXP than the monkfish, which is why it's not really AFK anymore. I'll have to check this like every minute, basically. And there's no money here. Devious Minds, what does that need? 50 rune crafting. What am I at? 48. Nearly 49. What about AFK rune crafting? Let's check that. One sec. This is more RuneScape focused. Guardians of the Rift Orania altar. This is happening way too fast, but it is good for agility, I guess. It's really slow. Each inventory is about 25 times 5. That's like 100 EXP, just over 120. 125 EXP per inventory. Dark crabs are 85, barbarian. Leaping sturgeon, so yeah, that's pretty much there. And then swordfish, shark. Technically, if I bring my dragon harpoon, I still get more thing. I don't know. I don't know what the right. Oh my gosh, why is it happening so fast? So drift net fishing is just a way to get hunter and fishing the XP, which I would need as well. I do need hunter to go up. Song of the Elves, 70 hunter, 70 smithing. The other ones are easy, herb blower and all those. It's just like hunter. Now, smithing and rune crafting are the biggest pain in the ass. I'm curious, like half of this has gone to research. But yeah, we'll come back in the next video and then continue with the code as well.